Hello students, Standard 9th, Sanskrit, Chapter number 9. Upakara hastu kartavyah. It means enemy should be killed by obligation. Actually, there was a very famous tale, a very famous story that how to kill an enemy, in which many persons showed the way that they should be hanged, they should be fired, they should be hanged, and anything. They are giving their suggestion that at that way the enemy should be killed. But at last, a wise person said that enemy should be killed by their guilt, by their obligation. Actually, he was not killed by the body, but he was killed by his karma, that evil deed that he did. So, in this lesson, it is the moral of the lesson that how should enemy will be killed with the obligations. It means by body he should not killed, but by his bad karma, by his bad deed, he should be killed. Let's see that what the author said into this story. Mruchkatika by Shudraka is a kind of allegorical drama. As we know that Shudrak, a very famous Sanskrit writer, and who wrote Mruchkatika drama. It was a very famous drama in Sanskrit literature. The theme based on the lives of ordinary people in the society is the protagonist. It means the main character, hero. We have Charudatta, who was once wealthy person. Actually, Charudatta was healthy person in his past. Now he was very poor. Now he is poor, as the heroine is rich. Courtesing Vashantasena. The name of the heroine is Vashantasena and the hero's name is Charudatta. The imaginative portrayal of the love by Shudraka makes this work a unique one. Shudraka wrote a love story in a very unique way. This excerpt is taken from Standard 10, the 10th act of Mruchkatika. Actually, Mruchkatika is written in many acts, in many versions. So, it is the 10th act that is taken into this lesson. Sakar, the brother-in-law of the king, kills Vasantasena by suffocating her. For the crime committed by him, Sakara puts the blame on Charudatta. Actually, the crime was did by Sakara, but he blamed on Charudatta that Charudatta killed Vasantasena. Actually, it was not true. Charudatta is sentenced to death. Fortunately, Vasantasena is alive. By considering this is change of kingship. Moreover, the fact that Charudatta did not try to kill, but that it was Sakara also comes to light. And so Sakara, who is now an ordinary citizen, is arrested. He is now not a member of the kingdomship, but he is an ordinary person of that kingdom. So he was arrested at that time when the people blamed on him, or the king come to know the fact that actually Vasantasena was killed by that Sakara, not by Charudatta. The conversation that takes place to decide what punishment should be given to Sakara is edited at the presented here. Actually, he was found culprated there, and after he finding the culprated, which kind of punishment he should be given, that conversation is given into this lesson. Those in power may succeed in harassing the common, innocent people for some time, but in the end, it is they themselves who will be harassed. Moreover, the good person who come to power does not have any feeling or revenge toward the person who had harmed him earlier. Actually, we always keep in our mind about the bad thing, to hatred, to take revenge on anyone. But it was not good thing. It is not good thing. It harm to us only. Instead, he has a feeling of burden and helplessness, and that is the moral that we get from this dialogue. Moreover, having Sanskrita, the inalienable is used to express the feeling felt, is also to be learnt here. Nepathya, it means after, behind the curtain. Are re, Rashtriya Shyalaka, ihi. Oh, king's brother-in-law, come. Swasya, avinashya, phalam anubhava. Experience the fruit of your roguery. It means come and take the fruit that you did, that you ripe. Tatah pravishyanti purushaira tishtatihi pakshada bahubandha shakarah. Tatah, then pravishyanti, enters, shakarah, sakar. Assured guards, purush tishtati, it means he was assured with the guards in the hands. Prasyadya bahubandha, bahubandha it means hand, the hands that are tied with the rope. And the guards taken him to the kingdomship. Shakarah, disha avlokya, he looking around the hole and then said, Shamantah, Upasthitah, sit, take your place. Isha Rashtriya Bandhana, he is brother-in-law of king, he is king's brother-in-law. Tatka, me, Danim, Asharanam Saranam, to whom now I shall come to protect you, to take a protection from you. Vajrami, take in protection to me. Bhavatu, tameva sharanam vatsalam gacchami. I am coming in your feet. Arya Charudata, paritraya shva. Arya Charudata, take your place. Iti padayoho patita. And then he falls into the feet of king, that please forgive me. Nepathya, behind the curtain. Arya Charudata, munj. Arya Charudata, tek. Vyapadayam inama, let's kill him. Shakarah, Charudatam prati, he looked at the Charudata. Bo, asharanam saranam paritra yashvam. I am coming into your shelter. Charudataha, Shanukampam, ahaha, with very kindness he said, Oh, abhayam saranagatasya. Freedom for fear, who came into my protection. Take free, live free with my protection. Sharvilakaha, Shavegam, it very loudly. Apaniyatam, ayam, Charudata prasyata. Look at him and said, look at the Charudata. Charudata prati, he looked at the Charudata. Nanu, Chat, kimasya papasya, anushtayata mimati. Let him be removed from near Charudata. Please tell what should be done with this sinner. Please tell what should be done, papasya adhishtamiti, with this sinner. At that time, Sarvikrala, it means the king, asked the Charudat that, please tell us that what should be done with this sinner. What you say, we will do that. And after that, there is a sloka that we will see into our next video. Have a nice day.